show you the apparatus which I have made. Okay, this is my brother's car. Right, it is Toyota Belter 1000cc, and it is engine, and apparatus is fitted over here. Okay, alright, it is apparatus, and two pipes are coming from here. One is for hydrogen and one is for oxygen, right? Then it comes to these two bottles. Hydrogen is coming to this bottle and oxygen is coming to this bottle. Okay, we fill these bottles with water, distilled water. Okay, right now we have a sufficient water in it, so we don't need to put more water in it. Okay, from here it goes to the apparatus. Okay, now what we do, we use only hydrogen, okay, to run in the engine, and hydrogen comes in this bottle, and then it goes to the bubbler, okay, where hydrogen gas is purified. This one, okay, from this pipe it goes to the bubbler, this one, okay, and here, and from here it goes directly to the engine. This pipe, can you see this pipe? Right, it goes directly to the air intake of the engine. Okay, one pipe is coming over here and one pipe is coming over here. One pipe is coming over here, one pipe is coming over here. Okay, now let's start the engine. Okay, and you will see results. Bubbles are coming from both the pipes. Here, hydrogen is coming from this pipe, and oxygen is coming from this pipe. And from here, run hydrogen to this bottle and oxygen to this bottle. We don't use oxygen in the engine. Okay, we use only hydrogen. Right? See in between the bottles, bubbles are coming. Okay, and hydrogen is coming from this pipe. From here, it comes to this bubbler. Can you see the bubbles coming from it? And from here, it goes to and in my car, we are getting 60% fuel efficiency. It means we can travel 60% more mileage than uh, running uh, solely on petrol. Like, yeah, this exhaust only moisture, only moisture. No carbon dioxide, no carbon monoxide.